Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch the Komodo Dragon in Fish 8 Roblox. So the Komodo Dragon has been added to the game and it is a beast tutorial in. So this mythic creature requires a special approach, and here I'm going to show you the location, the meaty bait you need to use, and also the trick to get this one. So the Komodo is a mythic tire fish and you can get it in the Pirate Cove. So here, this is the Komodo Dragon. As you guys can see, it can be catch at any time and any weather. And if you want to catch it, so this is my guide for you. So as for the location, I got it while I fish in this exact location. So this is the Pirate Cove. So, and this is the location where I got the Komodo, this one. So you can just use your best rods and bait, but as for me, I'm using the element rod with singularity bait. So that's a tips for me. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.